I tell you, no say people don't dey ready to enjoy sport tori wey be say fresh. And if na the first time be this for Rock City, for this city of Abeokuta, na Kulele place na you enter. Rock City FM 101.9, the program na Rock Sport, where we dey carry give people anywhere you dey, market, office, you dey inside bus, you dey inside hold up, I tell you, just Kulele, because we don ready to carry give you sport tori wey fresh wella like fresh vegetable.
And you know, as we dey do am, and we don come again. And for yesterday, CAF come release one list, say that the 3-man standing for the African Footballer of the Year award. Who dey that list? You go hear. Some people don dey para on top that list. You go even hear am for this program.
And then make we run for 40, enter the track and field event wey people talk say na athletics. Naija pikin in the high 2 level for the 2018 Lagos City Marathon. Emmanuel Giang in the talk, he say already this time because the next year competition for Lagos na 2 level. They don introduce 10 kilometer. I go enter am. The other level wey be the full marathon, I go enter am, because this time I wan tell the whole world say for endurance race wey be marathon, Naija to get liver. And if you dey follow gang take join body, 2017 Lagos City Marathon, bros you see say he finish that race and he talk say the next year competition don dey totori am, because he no go just come run, na to waka come win. Giang he carry Naija flag for 2010 Youth Games Olympics wey shele for Singapore, and Giang come hard. He say nothing dey happen. He say that weather for that level e dey tutorial, and in dey warm up to see say road will clear for am for the 2018 Commonwealth Games wey go shele for Australia for 2018.
I mean, I don enter ringside. Naija beautiful pikin Anthony Joshua don for me say he don dey ready to gbege Tyson Fury when he don collect him license back from the British Boxing Council. Joshua for yesterday yarn say Fury matter sef dey make am laugh, because person wey never collect license wey don dey brag say he go beat everybody including him, say him matter he be one kind. He come yarn say na anybody, anyone wey show face he go gbege for that next year, because he dey train not be to fight Fury or just anybody. He dey train to fight everybody wey show.
And for football levels, na the home base Super Eagles side na here dey, not be tori again. Say dem flog Mountain of Fire Miracle Football Club of Lagos 3 goals to 2 to take collect the invitational competition. And one of the players they talk this morning, Anthony Okotu, bros they talk say road don clear for the whole basic goal after dem flog Mountain of Fire Miracle Football Club of Lagos finish. He said they don ready to show shege for other things for CHAN 2018. He say the level wey dem take collect that invitational tournament, e dey tutorial and dem go carry that spirit enter CHAN 2018 for Morocco 2017. If you dey follow waka, Naija Professional Football League Invitational Tournament wey be say don comot for ground, na dem be the champion. And bros dey talk, he say nothing dey happen. The home base Super Eagles dem don ready to carry Naija flag, do wella, perform wonder, flog other opposition wey try to stop them for road wey dey enter CHAN proper. And the competition shele for Sani Abacha Stadium for Kano. And for the Mountain of Fire Miracle Football Club side, one of the player wey be midfielder Onuwa, he dey talk, he say Adetuale for Mountain of Fire Miracle Football Club of Lagos, so for even the level where home base Super Eagles take flog us 3 goals to 2. He say this team get liver, this team go waka. When Nigerian Professional Football League begin the shele for January 14, he say all the big boys, even the hosts, Kano Pillars, we flog them. The same level, the Federation Cup champion Aqua United, we flog them. Make we enter market, we still dey here. Na still Rock Sport for 101.9. I tell the Tuesday edition. Now those things na dey enter now, and na the capital na here dey look for front wey be Akure. Ondo State Governor Oga Rotimi Akeredolu, he say hey, this wahala na die. He come carry order sharp carry give the Ministry for Sport with Youth Development for those states, the football agency, and another level all the people wey say dem dey follow football take join body. E say Pepe no rest for the government hand o, no shishi for ground o. E come say make dem go look for Pepe outside the government backyard. And remember say on top of Pepe level, Sunshine Stars, the players dem dey cry every day say hunger wan finish dem o. And if you follow take waka, Sunshine Stars sharparly na im dem manage dodge relegation for last season for Nigerian Professional Football League 2016-2017, and as dem dey warm up to take enter the 2017-2018 Nigerian Professional Football League, the players dey para o. Some of dem don comot for the club, dem don turn their back say dem no go sit down for Sunshine Stars make hunger come kpai dem. And some players say whether tomorrow go better, dem still dey there. The governor come dey talk say im dey beg everybody o make water no pass garri finish o, make people wey dey love football go look for money outside the government backyard, because the league e go dey shele for January 14, 2018.
And make we dey tell you, Super Eagles captain Mikel Obi don reveal say e no dey join Everton from im Chinese club Tianjin tender for the January transfer, as e don rule out a return to England. He talk say all the rumour wey dey fly around say e wan comot China go England be lie, as e wan stay for China to prove himself. He come yarn say one thing wey dey in mind na to pray say for next year make e no get injury as World Cup dey knock enter for another level for here. Make we dey tell you, Confederation of African Football don comot Super Eagles player Victor Moses for the last 3 players wey fit win the CAF African Footballer of the Year award for 2018. CAF for yesterday named Egypt pikin Mohamed Salah, Senegal pikin Sadio Mane, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang of Gabon as the remaining 3 players wey fit win the award. But for the CAF award, for the CAF award, Nigeria coach General come make the last 3 man for the list for the coach of the year, and the under 20 female team for Nigeria also come dey the team of the year, while Super Eagles come dey the national team of the year.
And still dey yarn on top of a CAF level before Nigeria International Taribo West with Victor Gali. Dem dey para, dem dey vomit dem mind, dem say CAF wetin which kind level be this? Why na comot Victor Moses name for inside that final list? E no pure o. CAF una don come again, comot Naija pikin name. Why e suppose be like that? Make na explain to us o why Victor Moses name no come enter the final 3-man list wey suppose collect CAF Bobo award. And he come talk say we go sit down dey follow the matter dey take join body, because that level no pure with the CAF for say dem comot Victor Moses name. And for the Okpeke level, Naija pikin Asisat Oshoala, he collect 2014-2016, and as I dey yarn now, dem don repackage o. Asisat Oshoala e fit collect for the Okpeke footballer for the year on top of CAF level.
And make we also dey tell you, Super Eagles forward Alex Iwobi don dey follow im club Arsenal yarn on top new contract wey dem wan make him sign before next year World Cup. Iwobi wey be 21-year-old get 3 years left for im contract, but the club wan ensure say the player sign long-term contract for the club. Iwobi for 2016 sign 5-year deal with Arsenal where e dey collect £30,000 per week.
And then don't forget that thing wey we dey tell people make dem vomit. Tell us on top of the Senior World Cup, na the Super Eagles na we dey talk o. You remember say e no go dey now when Naija go enter Russia 2018. Just tell us which year Naija present package team wey dem be the worst, wey water pass garri, wey all the team flog shege for the Super Eagles of Naija body. That one na number 1. Number 2, who be the Kosito for the Super Eagles for that year? Who be the player wey be say forehand wey oyibo go talk say the worst player for that World Cup level? Type of package small space come tell us the year when Naija Super Eagles collect koboko for the Senior World Cup. Tell us the Kosito for that year, the country. Come tell us the player wey be say e forehand die for that same competition. Wey don tell us finish, carry your name take join am, run 440 enter 32120. You fit try am o on top another level wey be Twitter at Rock City FM.
And make we also dey tell you for here for today, League Cup quarter final for England go shele. West Ham go dey host Arsenal, Leicester go dey host Leicester City go dey hold Manchester City, and at the quarter final go dey shele today. Matches dey tomorrow, we go yarn you that one, and make we dey tell you for Europe. Before Manchester United coach Louis van Gaal don reveal say he wan return as coach for any English club wey go fit beat Manchester United, as the sack wey dem sack am still dey pain am. Van Gaal wey Manchester United sack for last year talk say e still dey pain am, say on top the level wey e use comot for Manchester United, and if any club wan approach am for England, club wey get better level, e go collect the work, and he wan beat Manchester United to show dem say e be better coach.
And on top of that league quarter final, people don dey give out to Man City, because if you follow the league take waka, Man City now dey be like
mountain.
Not be only mountain, dey be like hurricane. Anything wey try stop them now dey collect koboko anyhow. Make we wait when that Leicester City go stop Man City.
We dey hope say
na battle for inside City.
Yeah, well, Leicester City from weekend also dem go meet Manchester United for league, so dem go wan win this one, make dem ginger dem for the game for weekend.
Yes, so companies abeg come join us, because we pure here, we dey deliver, we change money. I tell you, all your business, all that market wey be like say no dey sell, nobody dey run after you, run enter Rock City FM, we go deliver for you, and dem go sabi your business everywhere wey breeze dey blow, wey Rock City FM dey waka reach. Jesse Dafe, e dey tell una say make I enjoy this Tuesday in a bygone.
My name na Taiwo Fabaju. Enjoy your day. Bye for now.